Let me show you how to turn these nails from this to this in 5 minutes flat. In today's nail tutorial, guys, we will be going through all the tools and steps you need to have press-on nails that last in under 5 minutes. So let's get into it.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Let's jump right into today's nail tutorial, guys. Today we will be doing our nails, and I'm going to show you how to do them in 5 minutes flat, okay? My nails are for Temu. I will put my code up on the screen so you can get a discount. The nail glue I use is Kiss. I love this glue. Inside of this pack, we have a nail filer, which I love. I like using the block, but you can also use the other filer that comes in this pack as well. As you can see, these nails are super, super cute. I wanted to do something just short and classic just to have going into fall, so you guys can use my code on the screen to get those at a discount. Inside, if you're not a glue girly, they also have the adhesive spots for you to put on your nails instead of using nail glue. It also came with a cuticle pusher as well as a flat filer. As I always tell you guys, I like taking alcohol wipes and just wiping my nail bed off, although I wash my hands, and that is key, is to make sure you're starting with the clean nail bed, okay? So then I'm going through with my cuticle pusher, and I'm just pushing my cuticles back. This is a really key step that I think a lot of people skip over, but this is what makes your nails look really, really natural. When you apply your nails, you want to push it under that cuticle bed just a little bit, just to give your nails a smooth transition. So as you can see here, I'm just going back and pushing my nail beds back, my cuticles back, just to give me a clean surface for when I apply the nail. So now it is time to actually apply the nails. Again, I use the Kiss 5-second glue. It's my favorite. So I just apply the glue directly onto the nail. Now, guys, give it a few seconds. Don't just put the glue on and just apply it right onto your nail. Give it a few seconds to catch a little bit of air. That helps it get a little bit more sticky, as you can see here. And I think that it helps the nail to stay on your nail bed just a little bit better. So again, make sure you're pushing that nail a little bit under your nail bed, as well as putting glue around the whole nail, and again letting it just air dry for a few seconds.
Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had it, that's all right. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it, that's all right.
Hey guys, and quick little tip when applying your press-ons, make sure that you guys push the nail down a little bit. So you can see as I'm applying the nail and pushing it under the cuticle bed, I'm also pushing it down. And not just on the top, make sure you guys are pushing on the sides too. That's just a really quick tip that really does help. It secures the glue, and it also makes sure that you have full coverage around the whole nail.
Like months. Gone for a year, only move like once. Life move fast when you know what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I want a contract girl, baby. In the meantime, it's time to go where I want. myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
But it's been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for a year, only feel like months. Life moves fast and you do what you want. At this time, do what I want. Hope you do what you want. You want. Few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Gone for a year, only feel like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
So as you can see, guys, these nails look absolutely amazing, and they also look super classy. You cannot tell me they do not look like you went and got them professionally done. As you guys know, I am a press-on girly. I love press-ons, and the thing about press-ons is, like, I can do them anywhere. If one pops off, I just pop it back on, okay? So I advise you to always keep an extra glue around. Also, I always take the flat filer that comes in the pack, and I just even out the tip of my nails. I like a very sharp, straight edge on my nails, so I just go back through and file it off. If you prefer your nails a little bit more rounded, then you can keep them just like they are out the pack. And as you can see, we did these nails in 5 minutes flat. So this was awesome for beginners. If you're one of the girlies like, I want to know how to do press-ons and I can't, then make sure you guys just subscribe to my channel, okay? Subscribe to the channel, save this video, make sure you guys like it. Tune in because I have another nail tutorial coming up soon, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for a year, only